Tristan Hobbs here with Orleans starter Matt Sisto from Hawaii. Matt, 6 scoreless innings today. What worked today other than your first start against Hyannis?
I learned my lesson the first start, and pounded the fastball early in the count and got ahead, and then just kind of spotted up on the outside today and was successful tonight, so it's good.
And through your first 2 starts, how do you like your performance so far on Cape Cod?
I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, the only negative is that one pitch. I'm kind of regretting. Other than that, I'm loving it. I love it out here. It's awesome. I can't complain about anything. So.
And how's the team coming together so far?
Honestly, I was talking about it today with one of the guys on the team. It's the fastest I've ever seen a team like gel. And everyone gets along really well, and it's really fun being out here. It's really a cohesive team, so it's good.
And inevitably, in these kind of summer leagues, you're going to play with guys you've played against and also with. And
yeah.
One of those guys, Colton Wong, helped you out tonight, stole home, also homered. That's pretty special.
Yeah, he's a dynamite, special player to watch. It's always fun when he comes up to play, when he's on base. He's going to steal, he's going to hit home runs. He's just awesome to watch. So.
Now, does he do that for you at Hawaii, too?
Yeah, he's the same way at Hawaii. He's just a spark plug. He gets us going. He's our leadoff hitter at school. He leads off here. He's amazing. He's fun to watch.
So, have your pitching staff in Hawaii ever bought him dinner for the things he does for you, or no?
No, we haven't bought him dinner, but we should sometimes. He saves our butt sometimes, so it'd be a good idea.
And so far, the pitching staff this year has done a really good job. Tonight, maybe only the one blemish. What can you say about your fellow pitchers?
I mean, they go out there and they try hard every night, and they bust their butt. And I mean, it's part of baseball. It's going to happen. The hitter's going to get you sometimes, but they'll come out. We're all going to come out, work hard, and keep going. So.
Thanks a lot, Matt.
All right.